This is not a protein powder. This is a targeted essential amino acid profile, the actual building blocks your body uses to create protein. And I am thrilled that I was gifted it from Advanced Bionutritionals, as I really love this brand. So let's get into it. Now, a key piece for me is the quality, and I really do love the quality from Advanced Bionutritionals. They very carefully vet all of their suppliers, doing additional checks on all of their ingredients. They manufacture in GMP certified facilities. They do a lot of purity testing, and this is clean of any fillers. It's non-GMO, it's dairy-free, it's free of quite a bit actually. So I feel really, really good about recommending this specific advanced amino profile. And you may be asking, what's the point? Why would I take this? Your body cannot create these amino acids. You need to get them from food or supplements, so your body has what it needs to create protein and build muscle. That's where this comes in. And there's two ways to look at this. One way is that this is a supplementation to a diet that is not strong enough to meet your protein goals. The other is if you are really looking to build, strengthen, recover your lean muscle, that's where this can come in too. So if you're trying to level up, this is a great option, as it really does promise to provide muscle recovery, muscle strengthening, overall stamina and energy. There's so much you can get out of a really targeted amino acid profile. And as a woman in my mid-40s, it's really, really hard for me to get as much protein as is recommended for me to maintain my lean muscle mass as I age. And that's where this comes in for me. It is exactly what I need to continue to give my body more building blocks to continue to stay strong, lean, and age gracefully. So that's how I'm using it. A couple key pieces that you'll want to know is, first off, these capsules are compressed. They're not powder in a gelatin capsule. They do have a bit of a smell, and if you take the suggested amount, you are taking 5 of these a day, and there's 30 capsules to a jar. So these jars go pretty quick. Just keep that in mind. You're getting 5,000 milligrams per suggested serving. So you're getting a lot, and so take that as you will. And real quick, the best way to use this is to take it on an empty stomach 20 to 30 minutes before you work out. That gives your body the best chance to truly absorb all of it and have it work the most successfully. So hopefully that helps you. Again, I really love this brand. I have tried other supplements from them. I've been impressed with everything from Advanced Bionutritionals, and I think you're going to love their amino acid profile. I hope this video helps.